When we talk about the way the royal spa is made, there is a vast difference between what we use as a mindset and what other people use. We would like for it to be made out of something that is so strong that it will outlast the owner. So the fiberglass pan on the bottom isn't just strong enough. It is really strong. It can withstand animals trying to eat through it and insects trying to tear on it and vast amount of moisture attacking it. And so that particular design allows you to sit it on the sand and the pea gravel that you couldn't put a normal hot tub on. When you look at the way that the siding is made, we are using the siding as a decoration. It's not holding the tub together. Many places, if you took the siding off, you would demolish the structural integrity of the tub and it would fall apart. So you've just got the screws at the bottom of their cabinet, the top of their cabinet, holding the tub together. If you took all the siding off of a royal spa, it would be just as strong as if you left it on. So you can change siding out and make design changes over your life. So that is a big deal. And then the equipment system and the electrical components that we use is so much different than what everybody else uses because we need it to be fortified against Epsom salts and the corrosive properties of salts because we don't want people to have to use as much chlorine and bromine as a normal hot tub uses because that stuff is inherently unhealthy. So we want a person to use Epsom salts in the tank so that they can get healthy benefits from a hot tub that you could get nowhere else. So everything about our tank is about reinforcing it to outlive the owner and to be able to handle any situation you throw at it.